Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how dropshipping works on Amazon in a full explanation for complete beginners. Let's get started. Dropshipping on Amazon is a unique business model where you, as the seller, list products for sale on Amazon's marketplace, but you don't actually keep any inventory yourself. Instead, when a customer places an order through your Amazon listing, you purchase that specific item from a third-party supplier, who could be a manufacturer, a wholesaler, or even another retailer. You have the supplier ship the item directly to your customer's doorstep. Your role is in the middle. You handle the Amazon listing, customer service, and marketing, while the supplier handles the physical product and shipping logistics. Your profit is the difference between the price the customer pays on Amazon and the wholesale cost you pay the supplier, minus Amazon's fees. For a complete beginner, the process breaks down into a few key steps. First, you need to set up a professional Amazon Seller Central account. This typically involves a monthly subscription fee and requires you to provide your business information. Once your account is active, the most critical step begins: product research. This is where most beginners struggle, and where the success or failure of your store is decided. You can't just list any product you find. You need to find items that are in consistent demand, are not dominated by established brands with thousands of reviews, and, most importantly, can be sourced from a supplier at a price low enough for you to sell competitively on Amazon and still make a profit after all fees. The challenge is that Amazon is a massive competitive marketplace. To find hidden gems, you need to analyze real sales data. You need to know if a product sells 10 units a day or 500. You need to see its price history, review count, and who you're competing against. You can't do this effectively by guessing or just scrolling through Amazon manually. This is where powerful product research tools become essential for any serious beginner. Instead of wasting weeks in trial and error, a specialized tool can help you validate demand and spot profitable opportunities quickly. For this purpose, I recommend using a platform like Sell the Trend, STT. It's an excellent tool for beginners diving into Amazon or Shopify dropshipping because it's designed to streamline the hardest part: finding winning products. Sell the Trend isn't just a product database. It connects directly to supplier costs, analyzes social media trends to predict virality, and shows you detailed analytics like estimated profit margins, competition scores, and historical sales data. Using a tool like this helps you make data-driven decisions rather than just following hunches, saving you immense time and money up front. You can find a link to check out Sell the Trend in the description below to see how it can simplify your product research phase. Once you've used a tool to identify a promising product, you must find a reliable supplier for it. For Amazon dropshipping, this is a delicate step because you must follow Amazon's strict dropshipping policy. Amazon requires that you be identified as the seller of record on all packing slips, and that you remove any paperwork from the third-party supplier. Most importantly, you cannot source products from another retailer like Walmart or Target and have them shipped to an Amazon customer. This is a policy violation. Therefore, your suppliers are typically manufacturers or authorized distributors found on B2B platforms like Alibaba or through specialized dropshipping supplier directories. You then list the product on your Amazon Seller Central account, set your price, and manage your inventory as fulfilled by merchant (FBM). When a customer buys your product on Amazon, you receive the order notification. You then go to your chosen supplier's website, place the order using the customer's shipping address, and pay the wholesale price. Your supplier ships the product directly to your customer. You then upload the tracking information to Amazon to complete the order. Your profit is the customer's payment, minus Amazon's referral and fulfillment fees, minus the supplier's cost and shipping. It's crucial to understand the significant challenges. Amazon customers have high expectations for fast, Prime-like shipping. If your supplier ships from overseas, delivery can take weeks, leading to negative reviews and account problems. Therefore, Many successful dropshippers work with US-based suppliers or those with local warehouses to speed up delivery. Furthermore, because you don't control inventory or shipping, any error from your supplier, like a wrong item, damaged product, or missing packing slip, reflects directly on you and can jeopardize your Amazon seller account. For beginners looking to start efficiently, using a dedicated tool like Sell the Trend STT can be a game changer, as it consolidates product research, supplier analytics, and trend validation into one platform to help you make smarter, faster decisions. You can find a link in the description below to explore how Sell the Trend can help simplify your launch.